Guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got a beautiful trade here. I caught a beautiful trade on the 1 hour chart for GBPUSD. I drew a trend line that had a, so here's my first touch point here. My second touch point is here. Went straight down. Look at how beautifully it went down. I missed all of that, like really all of it missed. And then it came back up again. When it came back up again, broke out. When it broke out, I decided to seize the opportunity and put in two positions. When I put two positions, I think, yeah, I left it like that. I didn't even check the market again. I didn't even put a stop loss, but I knew that when it passes this swing low here, I am getting out of the trade. This is the safest way. Once it breaks a swing low, that means the market is honestly probably going to go a different direction. So it went back up again. It kept up on a Monday, went up, came back down, and then that's when I drew my one touch point, two touch point trend line. And I realized the rejection from this candlestick here. And then I decided, hey, let me just put in a trade. So I did put in a trade there. And continued with the market. And then last night, I guess this was last night or something, it really like broke out of my trend line, now telling me that, hey, maybe a downtrend is about to continue. And it went back up again just a little bit, just to keep me in profit a little bit. But definitely, it might just go down to the other direction. I am not so sure. I just feel like it just might go down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna protect my account, as we should all, right? You need to protect your account. So it's either I'm gonna start taking profit, or I am going to break even, something of that sort. And as you can see, another thing, you guys, that I'm realizing now is these candlesticks that are forming right now here, they are reversal candlesticks. These candlesticks also are showing me that the market is losing momentum. Because you can see there's a very strong breakout here. And then very small bodied candlesticks trying to push to the upside. They do have a little bit of rejection on the downside, but they are really trying to push to the upside. But it has lost that momentum of, we are going up. The trade is actually going to the upside. So I'm not too sure on what should be done, but I'm definitely going to trail all of my profits, take profits, and trail them up to this one and break even on this trade. If it comes back, it came back, but I'm already in profit. Let me show you guys my P&L. Here's my P&L, guys. I've made about 1,000 right now. So yeah, so far so good. But then again, we need to protect the account. So I am going to trail my stop loss up until probably here. Okay, let me just go to a 30-minute chart, you guys, and see. Do you see this rejection though, guys? There's a lot of fighting going on here. So I am honestly going to just put my stop losses right below this mark here. So once it passes here, then I know that, hey, I'm done for, okay? There we go. I'm going to put another one there. 166, that's around 200 now. Put another one right up there. 570. So that's around 800 take profit, which is really tiny, you guys. I was wanting 1,000. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know whether I should go on, I should hold on, or just let it be. We can just analyze a little bit again. This trend line here, this one here, I am going to just move it a little bit and put it up the. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I'm just going to remove it as a whole. Delete that trend line and actually do a new trend line. Okay, we'll go to our most recent price. This is a 50-minute chart. That's why I'm seeing so many trend lines. Oh, you guys. Okay, so we're going to go back to our 1 hour chart. We are going to go back to our 1 hour chart, and I am going to draw in a new downward trend line because that one was broken into. So I'm going to draw a new trend line right there. This trend line here has 1, 2, 3 touch points. So we are definitely close to a pure rejection based on the 1 hour chart. So it's either it breaks out of this or it comes back down. That's why there is even a reversal candlestick. So whether it breaks out or it doesn't break out, it's up to the market, whether it goes or it doesn't go into the direction that it's supposed to go. So, you know what, guys? I am going to close this trade and I am going to call it a day. And yeah, that is about it. And I'm closing all of these trades. Well, it was a great run. There we go.